Stealth Writer versus Undetectable AI. So Stealth Writer focuses on rewriting AI text into more natural, human-like content that can pass through plagiarism checkers and AI detection tools. So the pros of Stealth Writer is it's simple and fast. It is also good at avoiding repetitions. So it smooths out awkward AI patterns. It is also budget friendly. So it's usually cheaper than premium competitors. And it has a passes basic AI detector, so it works well against lighter AI checkers. The downside is it has some mixed results on the reviews on advanced AI detectors. It also has limited style control, and the quality may vary depending on your premium subscriptions. Now, Undetectable AI, on the other hand, is marketed as one of the strongest tools for bypassing AI detector. So the pros of undetectable AI is it has high success rate with detection tools. It also is customizable with outputs. It lets you pick the writing styles like academic, casual, or professional. It also has a better flow, which means it produces more natural blogs and large documents. So overall, if you want a cheap and quick mixing and fix for making short AI, text more natural, then choose Stealth Writer. But if you want a more reliable solution and stronger, better essays, then choose Undetectable AI.